So let's see, let's try to record a video from the startup. After putting the machine together again, let's see what happens. It's alive, I already did a quick test. And it's working. Scandex here in Spanish, of course. I'm going to see what I do with the operating system later. But I should get things ready, search for some floppy drives, all installation, and so on. Let's see. Yes, and we made it to the desktop. There you go. And just for fun, there is no sound or anything because it doesn't have a sound card. I will see that later. And just for fun, let's try to open Works. Works 95 version 4.5. Okay, some problem with the configuration. Major. Let's see. Blank. Let's see what. Oh yes, we're able to do everything here in this all. Yeah, let's go for this. And great. Yes, please. See how slow this can be. Let's please wait while the assistants creates. The task manager creates the document. It is trying. Hope it doesn't crash. It's so slow. It is alive. See? Oh yeah. It's just very slow. So yeah, machine is alive. I'm going to put the case later. I have cleaned that as I can and do a final report on the machine. Thank you for watching this.